Hello grade 4s and welcome to another math lesson. Today we will be discussing measurements and how to find equivalents in units of measurements. You will find your lesson on page number 673. Measurements. What is a measurement? It is an assignment of a number to a characteristic of an object or event, which can be compared with other objects or events. There are two types of measurements, the imperial system and the metric system. The imperial system uses pounds, ounces, and yards, for example, where the metric system uses meters, kilometers, or grams, milligrams, and so forth. So first of all, let's look at capacity. What is capacity? Capacity is the amount a container can hold measured in liquid units. For example, if we look at the jug here, this jug can hold roughly 5 ounces. So we can see that this is used in the imperial system, ounces. We can also see that this little container can hold 80 milliliters, which is the metric system. But the amount that these containers can hold is measured in liquid units, and we will only be looking at the imperial system, this one here. For example, if we look at a quart, what is a quart? 1 quart consists of 2 pints. So a quart is a customary unit of capacity. 1 quart equals 2 pints. But what does a pint mean? 1 pint is roughly 500 milliliters. So 1 quart will be 2 times 500 milliliters, and that will give me 1 liter, or I will show you roughly 1 liter. A gallon consists of 4 quarts. So 1 gallon must therefore be roughly 4 liters, or a little bit less than 4 liters. A gallon is a customary unit of capacity. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So 1 gallon is roughly 4 liters. But if I look at the exact number, which means exactly, 1 gallon is exactly 3,785.41 milliliters. A cup. We all have seen cups in our mother's kitchen, and if we follow recipes, we know that a cup is a measurement tool that we use in baking or cooking. So a cup is a customary unit of capacity. Remember that capacity is how much liquid can this container hold. So 1 cup is exactly 236.588 milliliters. Or as we like to say, 1 cup is roughly 250 milliliters. What is a pint? So if a pint is equal to 500 milliliters and a cup is equal to 250 milliliters, I can see that 2 cups equals 1 pint. So pint, yet again, is a customary unit of capacity. 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. So we can see that 1 pint is equal to 473 milliliters. So therefore, we say 1 pint is roughly 500 milliliters. A fluid ounce. A fluid ounce is a customary unit of capacity equal to 2 tablespoons. 1 fluid ounce is equal to 29.5735 milliliters, or roughly 30 milliliters. A tablespoon is one of those big tablespoons that you use in your mother's kitchen that you eat with. A tablespoon is a little bit smaller, and that we use to make some tea. So now that you know how big a tablespoon is, weight. What is weight? Weight is how heavy an object is. So for instance, if I take your weight, you might weigh 50 kilograms, you might weigh 40 kilograms, and I might weigh 80 kilograms. So weight is how heavy an object is. An ounce. A small piece of cheese weighs about 1 ounce. So an ounce is a customary unit of weight. I hope that you understand this lesson. Please cut out those word cards in your booklet and keep them with you at all times when we do the lesson so that you understand what units we are using. Thank you so much.